Hey, Colleen. It's nice to see you again. It's been a while.
You too. Love your hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, right there would be good. Hi, babies. I missed you too.
Yeah, this is more level.
Yeah, that was really nice of you to do that.
Yeah, he was in he kind of wanted his own thing and his own, and that's perfect.
Instead of
He's got the
living,
same-
with someone
instead-
else, so.
So it was just actual good timing. It was
Right.
just timing, and I figured that'd be a good thing for him to get going. And
So you just gave him the title and he was excited?
yeah, just kind of told him, said, come to the river. I got something I need to give to you. He walked up. I gave him the title. I said, it's yours.
That's really
It's
awesome.
good till July 18.
Well, I'm going to ride with Carolyn because she didn't have anybody to ride with her and she needs to make a day trip to Phoenix. So I didn't want her to ride alone. So yeah, I'm going to go with her. She has some errands to run there. So yay.
Suspiciously like a kitty cat.
She says, but I love it. We just stopped by, where did we stop by?
Carl's Jr.
Carl's Jr. And look at Carolyn's burger. She's on the keto diet, which means she can't have any bread. Look at the lettuce wrap. That thing is freaking awesome.
It's humongous.
And it smells good too.
And I would never totally encourage people to go to fast food restaurants,
Right.
when they're trying to eat healthy. But when you're on the road and you need something quick, this is not bad. It's got
Right.
the fat and it's low carb.
Yeah, look at that. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And here's my meal. I'm not going carb friendly at all. I've got fries and also 2 sliders. Oh, and a cookie. Passed out. She is loving that bed. She's so comfy in it.
Good, you are this girl. Yes, you are. Oh, too cool. And Moo-moo, who do you love better, me or Chris?
She's like,
No, I love Auntie Carolyn.
are you sure? Because I was going to say, I'll sleep on that. Yeah, she loves her Auntie Carolyn.
Yes, she does. Uncle Chris is okay, but he's second place.
Oh my God, look girl, it's a big flying saucer.
I know, that is where the Cardinals play. Boo, Cardinals.
Oh, that sign says Los Angeles, 1 mile. That would be kind of hard since we're actually in Phoenix. It's that time of day. Look at the sun is blinding. So we are going for a quick bike ride because we are going to go sign in with the camp host. So it's just 3 of us that are going. Moo is getting her morning exercise today, aren't you? Yes. We came to sign in, but as you can see by the sign that the host is off duty, so we're just gonna have to come back later and see if they are here. I don't know, probably tomorrow, because usually if they're done for the day, they're done for the day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so, oh well, we tried.
Hi. Hi.
Did you eat a Smurf?
No.
Because your tongue is blue. So what do we got here?
These are rosemary pan-fried potatoes with onions.
Those look yummy.
And those are little new potatoes, so I left the skins on.
Oh, that sounds great.
And then we're just going to make an omelet with some pink Himalayan salt.
Oh, I love pink Himalayan salt.
And then we're going to saute it with a little butter. And then put in a jar of cheese.
That sounds yummy.
Pretty simple and easy.
So if you don't know, this is Miss Danny.
Hi.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
Hello. Do you want hot sauce? I got Louisiana hot sauce.
A little bit, yeah, that'd be cool.
I got some sauce for you.
I don't want that kind of saucer.
It's not the kind you got to pump yourself. Cholula hot sauce.
Oh, Cholula,
but
that's good too.
Chipotle.
Oh, yeah.
I get chili
I
garlic.
discovered
I
this
don't want
on-
it too hot though.
No, it isn't, but it is a sauce. Well, try a little dab.
I could. Okay, go ahead.
I'm hooked on it.
Put a little dab on there.
Oh my God, that smells good. Yeah, that's just those.
No, not on the camera, sir.
I have a box of lavender.
Thank you. Oh no. Okay.
I have some too. We gotta
Evil laugh.
get our oils
It
together.
isn't hot.
We gotta
You'll
put our
like it.
oils
Okay.
together.
Oh my God, this is so delicious. All right, let's try the potatoes. Thank you, Danny. This is awesome. All done.
That's what I would use if I were putting chapstick.
Okay, I'll try that.
All right, who wants to try these on?
I do.
Okay, here you go.
They look so cute.
They're brand new. It's just, I just can't wear them. So if you can fit them, then you can have them.
Okay.
All right. All right, so how did they feel?
Good.
She's excited.
They look super cute. I love them with that shirt too.
Thank you.
Turn around. Hold this up so I can see your high knee.
Yes, that looks cute on you, girl. Yes. Oh, no. All right, those are like those are kind of baggy on you.
Yeah.
So I think they fit your sister. But I mean, you can wear them every once in a while, I
I think in
guess.
maybe 6
Yeah.
months she'll be able to fit
Oh, yeah,
them
that's
for a year.
true. So, all right.
around,
And
show.
let's see, girl. All right, you better fill those pants. Here, you go. High five, girl. High five.
Where'd you get
Good
those
job,
from?
y'all. That would actually make a cute dress on you, but I don't know. You need something white underneath. I don't know. You can show your mom. If she says she likes it, then you can keep it.
Yeah.
Don't get it dirty, though. All right, what did you do, sir?
Just did a little temporary, just to put the Mick touch on it for now. Try to make it a little homey until I start getting all the stuff and getting it built.
Okay, cool.
Okay, well, Colleen's in there, so go on and step in. And
Okay.
I just broke my little door
Oh,
handle.
I love
I gotta stand out here
it.
and close the door for you.
Why?
Because I broke my little handle off.
Oh, I love the blue. Where'd you get more blue lights?
I ordered all different ones to see what they were like, and the blue ones are cool. Them are black lights. But you ready?
This is cute. Okay. Oh, God. It's very psychedelic.
Look at this. Look at this blanket.
Oh, yeah, that blanket is cool. So it's like a black light.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I like that.
I had to put a little touch on it for now.
Yeah,
so, you know.
it looks good. It's much better than just a trailer with these walls right here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks good. I like the big TV too. I don't know. I'm not feeling this. This is still looks very.
I have more tapestries and
Yeah,
everything on the way.
that needs
so I
to be
wanted to
fixed.
put some behind the TV just to kind of partition off
Right,
the back for
right.
now.
Oh, that'll be nice. It's like storage back there.
Yeah. 'Cause
Yeah.
that's where we put all our clothes.
I
and our
love the
kitchen.
tapestries. Those are really nice.
You like them? Amazon.
Well, I got this awesome hat from Sharon, and you do have a channel. You make it. Wait, hold on. Before we do, God, you made a lot of freaking hats. So is this your hobby?
Yeah.
So you do have a channel with your husband, right?
Yes, we do.
And what is that?
It's S&S and the RV Cats.
Awesome. So
We're
go check
traveling
them
with
out.
Oh, pardon me. We're traveling with our 3 cats.
Oh, 3 cats. Wow. This is the hat that Dana got. This is the hat that Ethan got. This is the hat that Aubrey got. And this is the hat that Steve got. And this is the hat that Cheslin got.
Homer got a headband.
This is Homer's headband. I'm feeling like Rocky for some reason. And this is the hat that Catherine got. I'm gonna need you to uncover your face, lady.
No, lady.
And this is the headband that Danny got. And this is the hat that I got. Love it. She gave me another one too, but I needed a plain brown one, so awesome! So I have my speaker out. We're gonna have a fire right there. This is our fire pit that we're gonna have for tonight. And I have my TV set out because we're gonna have a little movie night for the kids before anything else gets started. Oh my God, look at that beautiful sunset. Isn't that beautiful, kids?
Yeah. Awesome.
Banjo's like, what about me? I wanna watch the show too. So yeah, we're getting ready to watch the movie. Are you watching the sunset, Moo-moo?